Hi and welcome to Business Expert, where we give you the lowdown on the products, tools and accounts that make your business better. I'm Chris Farman and today I'm here to uncover the best business bank accounts with an overdraft. Now, as an entrepreneur or business owner, it's fair to say that cash doesn't always flow freely. You may have customers who take months to make a payment, be growing so quickly that there's no money to pay the bills, or have all your working capital tied up in stock. Whatever the reason, when you're experiencing a cash flow shortfall, a business bank account with a good overdraft facility can provide the short-term cushion that you need. With that in mind, we're going to run through the best business accounts with overdrafts to help you find a cost-effective solution. Now, you can also click the link in the description for a more detailed breakdown of these accounts. Right, let's get started. Why an overdraft could be a lifesaver for your business. An overdraft is an essential banking feature for many entrepreneurs, business owners, and company directors. It allows you to spend more money than you have in your account up to an agreed limit so that you can pay bills, cover unexpected expenses, and trade as normal while you wait for payments to come in. But these days, a good overdraft is, well, hard to find. The digital-first, quick-to-open accounts from the challenger banks have revolutionized business banking. But it's rare to find a challenger bank offering a decent overdraft facility. Overdrafts are more readily available among high street banks, but then you lose some of the ease and functionality of a digital-first account. But there are some good solutions out there. And to find the right fit for you, you should look for an account with low or no monthly fees, functionality such as invoicing tools and accounting software integration your business needs, transparent overdraft terms so that you know what charges are being applied, an overdraft limit that aligns with your business's cash flow requirements, and a competitive internet rate and fees. Top business bank accounts with overdraft facilities. We think that overall, the best business account with an overdraft is, drumroll please, the Starling Bank Business Current Account. It offers pre-arranged overdrafts of between £1,000 and £50,000 with an effective annual rate known as an EAR of 11.50% and an annual fee of 1.75% of the overdraft limit. Now, you must run a sole trader, limited company, or limited liability partnership that's been around for at least 24 months to be eligible. And when signing up, you'll be credit checked and have to sign a personal guarantee. Aside from the overdraft, the account itself has no monthly fees and there are zero fees for bank transfers and card purchases. You can access the account online or via the excellent app. There's FSCA protection and seamless integration with accounting software to simplify your bookkeeping. On the downside, having to provide a personal guarantee for the overdraft could put you in a sticky financial situation if the business fails. There's also a minimum £3 fee to deposit cash and no interest is paid on Starling Business Current accounts, so your money is effectively losing value in real time. Next up, it's the Zempler Bank Business Go account. Now, it may not be as well known as Starling, but Zempler Bank, previously known as Cash Plus Bank, has 2.2 million accounts in the UK, so it's certainly no small fish. It offers an overdraft facility of up to £2,000, although that's a relatively low limit. It could be just enough to cover occasional bills and payments if you run a small business. The overdraft is a short-term solution, as it's only available for 30 days at a time. So you must have a plan in mind to clear the overdraft quickly. The first £5 of your Zempler overdraft is interest-free, after which point an APR of 69.9% kicks in. Although that does sound high, you have to remember that you only have the overdraft for a month at a time. So in real terms, the interest you pay will be a relatively small amount. Sole traders, partnerships, and limited companies are all eligible, but you do have to be invited to apply. In terms of the account itself, there's no monthly fee or credit check, which means any eligible UK business should be able to open up an account. There's also UK-based telephone support if you need it, integration with the major accounting platforms, and it's fully regulated with online FSCS protection. So we're ticking lots of boxes there, but there are a few things to look out for. Now, you can make free business transfers per month, after which point you'll pay 35 pence per transfer. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it will add up. There's also a £2 fee for UK ATM withdrawals and a minimum £4 fee for depositing cash at a post office. However, if you can stomach those fees, then this is a great little account. Now, we're going to look at the Virgin Money M account for business. It's another account with no monthly fees and everything you need for day-to-day business banking. It comes with an optional 12-month overdraft called Planning Borrowing, which has a maximum £1,000 limit. You can also apply for an overdraft facility with a hefty limit of up to £25,000, which will more than cover the cost of that new office coffee machine. There's a 2.5% arrangement fee to set up the overdraft facility and an EAR of 13.8%, with interest calculated daily and charged monthly. Now, to be eligible for the M account, you must be a startup, sole trader, partnership, LLP, or limited company with a turnover of less than £1 million. The business must also operate in the UK, and at least one owner or director should be a UK resident. The account is a good one. UK bank transfers, standing orders, and direct debits are free. It integrates with the major accounting software, and there's automated business expense categorization. You can also earn 0.25% cashback on all business debit card purchases. And sleep easy knowing that your funds are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. And unlike the other accounts we've looked at, Virgin Money has physical branches so that you can bank in person. What we're less keen on is their lack of 24/7 customer support and the fees for depositing cash and sending and receiving money internationally. Its network of around 90 branches in the UK is also smaller than many of the major high street banks. The Metro Bank business account is another that benefits from physical branches for those who want the option of banking in person, although it only has branches in England. You must pay an £8 monthly fee for the Metro Bank business account, although that fee is waived if you keep your balance above £6,000 every day of the month. But that may require more financial oversight than you're willing to muster. Now, you can apply for an overdraft of up to £60,000 in branch or over the app. In return, you'll pay interest of 15.86% EAR for limits up to £25,000, with specific terms agreed for higher amounts. You'll also pay an arrangement fee of 1.75% of the overdraft limit, or £50, whichever is greater. To be eligible for an account, you must be a UK-based startup, sole trader, limited company or limited liability partnership with an annual turnover of less than £2 million. You'll also benefit from accounting software integration, FSCS protection, and zero fees for non-sterling transactions and debit card purchases in most European countries. Now, if you can keep your balance above £6,000, you get 30 free UK transactions a month before a 30 pence per transaction fee kicks in. If your balance falls below £6,000, there's a 30 pence fee for every UK bank transfer and card purchase. The eligibility criteria for an overdraft can be quite strict, which can limit access for smaller businesses, and there's no 24/7 customer support. Choosing the right overdraft account. So, those in our opinion are the best business bank accounts with an overdraft, but which is right for you? Well, the Starling Bank Business Current Account is a fantastic overall account. Its overdraft limits of £1,000 to £50,000 offer plenty of flexibility, and there's a competitive interest rate. However, The requirement for businesses to be at least 24 months old makes it best suited to more established companies. Startups need not apply. You also have to sign a personal guarantee, so you'll want to make sure that your business is in a solid financial position. The Zempler Bank business bank account, on the other hand, is a great fit for startups and sole traders. That's due to the low overdraft limit of £2,000 and the repayment period of just 30 days. That's not enough to cover the cash flow requirements of more established firms, but it could be the cash lifeline very small businesses need. And if you want more of a cash flow cushion, but have less than £1 million turnover, the Virgin Money M account for businesses could be the best pick. The charges and interest are competitive, and unlike the Starling account, it's open to new businesses and startups and gives them access to up to £25,000. As a growing business with more significant cash flow needs, the Metro Bank business account could be the one to go for. You can access overdraft with limits up to £60,000, but you will need a turnover of less than £2 million. Now, when evaluating each overdraft, always check the small print to understand the costs and terms involved. You need to know what arrangement fees and interest charges apply, whether there are any adjustment or renewal costs, what additional fees you'll incur if you exceed the overdraft limit, whether you have to provide security. Most overdrafts are unsecured, but some providers may require an asset as collateral or a personal guarantee. Now, we've covered the basics here, but for more information, just click the link in the description to read our full guide, which also includes a few more options. And if you have any of these accounts, we'd love it if you could share your experiences in the comments. All that's left to say is thanks very much for watching, and please like or share this video and subscribe to our channel for more recommendations from Business Expert.